Tarun Mangal.
Age?
24.
So sir, this survey is basically related to your beard style and all. So first question is, beards are the new trend of cool crowd. What do you think of beards and different facial hairstyles? So your option is you dislike, love it, or find it cool.
I find it cool.
And second is about facial hairstyles. Currently you have. You can select any two.
Normal.
So
I mean, clean shaven.
clean same. Okay, any other?
Stubble.
Third is who inspires for this style and all. So this is your Hollywood, Bollywood actor or friend, buddies, or latest fashion, or this create your own style, or I do not style.
I'll go with I do not style.
Okay. And this, have you tried experimenting with your facial hair to change your look or anything? Yes, no, I'll try new style something.
No, I have tried. Yes, you can say.
If you do try different looks, how often do you experiment? I mean, in week, like in new style every week, 2 times in a month, or I try new style every month, or I experiment occasionally, or I do not experiment.
I experiment occasionally, you can say.
Okay, thanks. Okay, now which facial product do you use for, hair styling, for hair styling? Electric shaver, razor, trimmer, and
I have electric shaver for
electric shaver
Philips.
brand name.
Razor is from
Razor?
Gillette, and trimmer is from Hitachi.
Okay, and then have you, if you have a preferred grooming product, like product or brand, where did you get to know about this product or brand, anything first time when you purchased it?
It's just from some friends and colleagues were.
Okay,
Yeah.
I mean from friends.
Yeah.
Okay. How did you last get your grooming product, from online or you bought it from shop, store?
I bought it online.
Okay. Then how willing will you be to experiment with a new stylish product brand for your facial hair to get better look and style?
I would like to try it. Yeah.
Okay. What would you consider before buying a new grooming product for facial hairs? Like usability, portability, design, brand popularity.
It should be. I think for me, it will be usability and portability.
Okay. And stubbles and beards are cool way to look macho while staying boyish and stylish. When will you?
Not in near future.
You'll buy in near future, or still you're thinking of?
I'll go with not in near future.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
The first question is, beards are the new trends of the cool crowd. What do you think of beards and different facial hairstyles? I mean, you dislike them, you love it, you find it cool, but never considered having one.
I love it, therefore I have a
Thank you. Second, select the facial hairstyle you currently score. I guess it will be stubble. And
Stubble and mistake also, but it doesn't
at
look
times.
nice on me, so therefore I'm not having it. But I like the
But
mistake.
you keep it off. Okay. Have you tried experimenting with your facial hair to change the way you look? Yes, of course. If you do try, how often do you experiment with your facial hairstyle? In a week, every week, 2 times a month, a new style every month, experimented occasionally. Occasionally? Okay. What or who inspires or influences your facial hairstyling? Your favorite Bollywood, Hollywood movie, friends, buddies, latest fashion trends, create your own style and all.
Fourth one, I create my own style.
Great. Most of the people actually in Vimtech create their own style. So, which facial hairstyling product do you currently own? And give us the brands as well. Electric Shave, you use one?
I have one trimmer, that's it. That too of Philips.
Philips, oh great. So
And I also go to salon for
styling. And if you have a preferred grooming product brand, where did you get to know about it? And you first discovered about this product in the market, how? So your favorite brand is
Philips only.
Philips
For
only.
these kind of products, it's Philips. And
Through advertising, to friends, family, saw it in store and took it, or experienced the product in a mall and then experienced zones and then took it. So what was
I think it's a combination of advertising
newspaper, magazines, radios,
and I saw it in a store and I like the packaging and the
Browsing in
name
store.
Philips attached to it.
advertising and store experience. Thank you. Then how did you last get your grooming product? Which are the following modes? You went and bought it from a store and you bought it online or received it as a gift, or you
The last product which I bought was online.
online.
Philips product.
Okay. And how will you be, experiment with a new styling product brand for a facial hair to get a better look and style?
Or
Are
will
you
you be
willing-
experimenting with a new
Are you
styling
willing
product?
to experiment with a new style?
Yes.
You are absolutely maybe experimentation. Absolutely. Okay. What would you consider before buying a new grooming product for facial hair? Usability, ease, quick to use, portability, easy to carry around, design, style quotient, brand popularity, or all of them.
It's usability. Usability is
Usability.
easy and
You can select any two you want.
usability and brand popularity.
Brand popularity. Last, stubbles and beards are the cool way to look macho while styling boyish and stylish. When will you buy your next product for facial hairstyle? Very soon. Still contemplating.
Waiting because my product right now is working fine. So after that, it will
For how many years you have been using it? The Philips trimmer you mentioned. 7 months. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Okay.
The Jain.
Age?
23.
So this survey is basically related to facial hairstyles. So our first question is, beard are now new trend of cool crowd. What do you think about this different facial hairstyles? Do you like?
Yeah. I really keep it.
Okay, and which style currently do you have and which style do you prefer?
You can see this one.
Yeah,
This
it's
is good or
yeah, you
custom
can say.
made.
And you can see it's good. And any other style do you prefer?
Generally, I prefer my own style. So I
Okay,
experiment
own
a lot.
styles. I mean, name of that
I don't
specific.
know a specific name, but I generally experiment a lot.
Okay, next question. I mean, from which you're inspiring? Who basically inspires you for these styles? Like any Bollywood or Hollywood actors, or you create your own style?
I create my own style generally, but I take some style from different actors and combine them and
I mean, last basically
create
you
my own
create your
style.
own style.
Create my own style.
Okay. And have you tried experimenting about your facial hairs and this?
Yes.
And if you do try different looks, I mean, time duration, like in a week or 2 times in a month or every month, like
Maybe 2 months, once, one time in 2 months.
okay, one time. I mean,
Occasionally would be better
okay,
option.
occasionally. Okay. And like, which product you are using right now? Facial product.
Razor, I use Gillette.
Razor, okay, brand.
Gillette.
Okay.
And trimmer, Philips.
Okay, trimmer Philips. And like, have you ever, if you preferred like buying grooming products or through online website, from where did you get this ideas?
Generally from shops, I purchase it from.
Shaw in the store, like browsing in
Yeah.
the store, or you prefer browsing this online or something?
I browse online, but I generally purchase it.
Okay, you purchase it
Offline.
from store.
Stores
Okay.
only.
How did you get your last grooming product? I mean,
Store.
Okay. And how willing will you be to experiment with a new style, new brand about your facial hairs?
new brand, I would, if it's certainly adding a value, then I will go for it. Otherwise, I will like to stick with the old brand.
Maybe, I mean, you'll go for it if it's
Maybe if it's certainly adding a different style.
Okay. And what would you consider before buying a new grooming product? I mean, usability, portability, design, brand, or anything?
Portability is a different thing. Yes, usability again. Good.
Okay. And now you have seen like stubbles coming up with this, now it's a current fashion. So what do you think? You'll buy some product related to this right now?
I already
in
have,
future?
but yeah, in
But
future.
Okay, very soon, or you're planning
If some
or
good product comes into market which is better than my current product,
which
I
you are
will
using.
definitely buy.
yeah, okay. I mean in near
Near
future
future.
you'll buy.
I'm thinking of replacing my old shoe.
Okay,
My
thank you.
ceramic.
Thank you.
Thank you.